Today, I'm going to show you how to restore to a version in Base44 in just a few simple steps. If you've made changes to your project and want to go back to an earlier version, this is the fastest way to do it without starting over. This tutorial is quick, practical, and perfect if you want to recover a previous version of your work with confidence. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Base44. Make sure you're inside the correct project before you do anything else, because the version history will only apply to the project you currently have open. Once your project is loaded, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the version history icon. This icon will open the saved version timeline for your project, where you can view past changes and previous states. After the version history panel opens, browse through the available versions until you find the one you want to restore. When you've located the correct version, click the three dots next to it. This opens the options menu for that specific version. From the menu, select Revert to this version. Base44 will then restore your project back to that selected version, replacing your current state with the earlier one you chose. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully restored your project to a previous version in Base44. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick how-to guides.